keys act as a keychain. Kind of just flip it over like that. Matthew Williams is a genius. It's good that they brought him to Givenchy. I feel like the clothes that he has made has put Givenchy back on the map. This product is amazing. He got this inspiration from Paris, being in Paris, the Parisian locks. Lovers would go there and then put their locks on a bridge in Paris to lock in their love. Paris is a city of love, and this kind of product, Matthew Williams that has brought into Givenchy definitely inspires, takes inspiration from his work at Elix, because he would make the buckles for Elix, and he did some collabs with Dior, the belt buckles on the bags, which were pretty cool. Givenchy, I believe, is doing better than when Claire was had when she was taken over with the designs. I feel like Givenchy definitely has been coming back. I mean, with sales and everything, I feel like maybe with his new collabs, like with Cheeto, does like some spray paint designs and everything like that. I feel like it's very interesting. I think he has another collab with another designer coming in the spring of 2022. Looking forward to that. It's just all around amazing. His clothes to his ready to wear is just amazing. I believe there's some flair to his designs. Definitely brings something to the table. Matthew Williams is a genius. I feel like with marketing, he designed I think one of the Kardashians' dress for the Met Gala, which was amazing. I feel like he definitely is the perfect fit for Givenchy.